Hi, I'm Brit Morin, founder and CEO of Brit Co, and I want to share with you what being unapologetically creative means to me. So in 2011, I left a huge job at Google. I decided to take 6 months off, and I found that I started really enjoying creativity. Every single day I was making something. I pinned it on Pinterest, I put it on my blog, and day by day I had more and more followers asking me how I was doing this stuff because they told me they weren't creative and they could never do it themselves. I fundamentally believe every human is creative, and I wanted to change their perception of themselves and all the things that they could pursue on their own in life. So at one point during the early Brit Co years, we decided to run an experiment. We took a group of 5 to 7-year-old girls and a group of 25 to 35-year-old women, and independently we asked them to do the same types of creative projects: painting, storytelling, and so on. The young girls went to town. They dove right in, they started imagining all kinds of stories, painting all kinds of colorful pictures, and the adult women froze. They were literally paralyzed. They didn't know what to do, what stories to tell. They felt embarrassed and nervous, and this was just proof that somewhere between 5 and 25, we lose our creative confidence. And again, this is why I wanted to create Brit Co so that we could bring that back inside of women, young and old. Every startup has its own journey, and to be an independent startup founder is really, really hard. And you come back to the fact that your mission is something you passionately believe in, and I know that over time we are going to go through all kinds of twists and turns, but the one thing that will always hold true is our belief that women should feel more encouraged to pursue their passions and to be creative every single day of their lives.